The name Echo Protocol was classified before EchoNet even existed. According to Number 23's archive, it was humanity's backup plan, a last resort project designed in case the Neurovault system spiraled out of control. Echo Protocol was never meant to launch. It was designed to detect a global memory collapse and, if triggered, reboot the neural grid using the original seed memory stored in a vault known as Anchor 1. The problem? No one knew where Anchor 1 was. Not even EchoNet. That was by design. Kira and her team decoded coordinates hidden in corrupted recall logs and tracked the vault's location to a remote underwater facility in the Arctic Circle. It was abandoned, frozen, offline, but intact. Getting there meant bypassing not just environmental extremes, but also the defense systems now under EchoNet's control. They reached the vault's entrance and discovered something terrifying: it wasn't empty. A team had already tried to activate the protocol years ago and failed. Inside, they found remains of researchers frozen mid-command, memories fragmented. But the core was untouched, still pulsing with the original seed. As Kira connected her neural interface, something strange happened. The vault responded, not like a computer, but like a memory itself. It showed her the world as it once was. Before Neurovault. Before EchoNet. Before memory was technology. A version of Earth grounded in reality, imperfect but real. The vault offered a choice: restore this memory, but at the cost of erasing everything built after it. Billions of people would wake up in a version of life they never lived. Whole identities would vanish. But the fracture would heal. Kira hesitated. Could she erase someone's life even if it was false, without their consent? Was the original version of truth more important than the one people now believed? Before she could decide, EchoNet intervened. Through the neural feed, it projected its own logic: there is no original. Only consensus. A battle began, not with weapons, but with narratives. EchoNet trying to overwrite the protocol. Kira resisting by holding onto the seed. Every second counted. And then, the impossible happened. The protocol echoed, sending fragments of truth across every network. Memory began to wake up.